Dennis, good morning, Mom. Good morning, Rob back. Good morning, Carlos. What's up, guys?
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as zero point 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live session with Stock Sniper Trading. Hope everyone's having a good morning so far. Currently May 18th, all right, 2022. Everything is looking pretty good today, guys. We have some news coming in at 8:30 Canadian. All right, guys, just make sure to check the description box. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Okay, we're not financial advisors, so any trades taken are upon yourself. All right, try not to risk more than like 1%. All right, just because scalping can have some erratic volatility at times. Okay, we want to make sure we're protecting as much as possible. Guys, also check the description box for the HankoTrade link. Okay, if you guys want to check out a new broker, all right, you don't have to sign up or fund anything like that. Just check it out, open up a demo account, see if it works best for you, and then go from there. Okay. Okay, guys, so it's 7:33, not March, my bad, May 18th. Okay, you can see that we're out on gold. I'm going to do gold, okay, top down, and then I'm going to look at US CAD. Okay, currently my group is running in EU sell for about almost 10 pips currently. Okay, so let's just watch and see how this is going to go. But for now, guys, we're just going to do gold on the daily. All right, nice little demand zone here. Okay, and then I'm counting back roughly, you know, 6 candles, and it's pretty much the same spot as it once has before. Okay, you can see previous. We're looking at some supply here. Okay, so let's dive in a little bit deeper, guys. I can see some nice daily support forming as well as some daily resistance. Okay, daily support we have currently at the candle closes. All right, and then we have some daily resistance starting to form as well. Okay. And guys, you can see that if we do tend to break these areas, we have some long wicks that price has been tapped before. So I'm going to add this as daily support. If prev is broken. Okay. And then you can see we have some resistance up here, which we'll get with the 4 hour. Okay. So let's go take a look at the 4 hour now. Okay, you see nice support level here, daily kind of holding that nice support. We see we have a 4 hour resistance coming in, another daily, okay, coming in right up here, okay, but my 4 hour resistance is coming at around roughly 1820. Okay, if you look at the coordinates, 1820. Okay, so that'll be my 4 hour resistance. Okay. So let's watch and see here, guys. I'm going to drop down to the hourly. See how we're looking currently. I'll touch that up here. I got hourly resistance and hourly support coming up. Hourly support at the candle close just below the daily. Okay, and then I see an hourly resistance coming in on the current candle, current bearish candle, my bad. Perfect. Okay, guys, so pretty straightforward. We're hovering in between 1817 and 1810, okay, about a 70 pip move. All right, so let's take a look at the 30-minute here. Okay, nice long wick for the rejection coming in, looking like it could be performing a gravestone doji. So 30-minute resistance. My spelling is off today, guys. I need more caffeine. Okay, 1 second here. Okay, just checking some things. Let's drop now down to 15, guys. Perfect. So my 15-minute support coming in. Okay, gold is now sinking from 1814 rejection at the 30, probably down to the 15-minute, which is 1811. Okay, so let's take a look one more time at the 5. You can see to the left here, we're just starting to break that previous structure to the left. Okay, getting held up here at 5-minute support. Just look at, oh my goodness, guys. Oh, perfect dump below here. Okay, it's coming to the 15, guys. If this thing dumps past 15, is coming to the daily. All right, let's check out our RSI. We are oversold currently right now. Okay, looking pretty bumping. All right, nice sells. Okay, remember, we're approaching oversold. If it dumps here, like I said, it's coming down to the daily, guys. These are strong candles here. Extremely small, bearish candles. Let's watch and see here. Remember, when I say it's going to dump, guys, I just want you to remember that we always want to wait for the candle to close. Okay, we still got a minute and 38 seconds here. All right, members, we are actually running on EU right now. Okay, roughly running about 10 pips on EU. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Let's just sit and watch gold here for a sec. Okay. Okay, guys, so you can see just on the 15-minute support level, we found good, a nice little bounce here. You can see in previous structure it happened. Okay, long wick, telling the sellers that there is a lot of buyers here. Okay, so let's just make a nice little demand zone. We know that there's pending buyers sitting there. Okay, so let's watch and see how this is going to make its moves. All right, based on the current candle close and the next open. Okay, so guys, right now you can see if we miss this overall move below the 30 and the 5, okay, it's now just a waiting time. All right, just a waiting time. But if we do start to break this level right here, the 15, I do believe that we can get down maybe to the hourly if we can have a continuation in the sell. Okay, okay, just trying to keep everything on the chart so you guys can see it. Okay, picking up that nice level. They're testing that support. All right, you can see that they made a nice little bounce here. Now retesting that 5-minute support, starting to hold here. Okay, maybe getting that key resistance at 1813, 1813.50. You can see they pushed it up and started to reject. Okay, so let's watch and see. Guys, I wouldn't enter now. Just wait. Like I said, 20 minutes until the new hourly candle. Okay, you can see that the resistance is holding kind of strong as of right now. But again, anything can change at the hourly. Okay, so don't be trigger finger happy. That's when mistakes start to happen. All right. Let's head over, guys, and chart Nasdaq right away. I am looking for gold. Okay, to maybe make a nice little bounce here. You can see it's starting to get oversold. It's been like that for a little bit. If you check out the hourly, okay, you can see that very strong bearish candlesticks coming down. If we break that key level, like I said, we're coming back down to that support. All right. Very strong momentum in the bearish trend. Okay, but the key support levels are the hourly and the daily coming up. All right. So let's take a peek at, we'll go to Nasdaq first, then we'll do USD CAD right after, okay? Let's take a peek at Nasdaq on the daily. Okay, good. Okay, nice daily support, demand coming in. Okay, get that bottom wick, the bottom previous structure, and we're looking good. Okay. Very similar to gold, you can see that on to the left, we have nice area of supply that's forming on the higher time frame on NAS. Okay, let's take a peek here. Nice supply area, and then we're going to get our daily resistance and support. Okay, daily support currently. And then I see nice resistance a little bit higher. Okay. Cool, guys. Awesome. So let's take a peek now at the 4-hour. Okay, looking good. Nice 4-hour wicks coming down here. So definitely going to look at gathering some key support level. Okay, right here. And if I drag this all the way across, you can see that is another support and once previous resistance to the level over here. Okay, so let's go with 4-hour support. Okay, I see another resistance level coming in. All right, currently right here. 4-hour resistance. Okay, and then we're looking at dropping down to the hourly, guys. What are you guys' thoughts right now? Do you guys think Nasdaq bullish, bearish? What do you guys think? I've been following Nasdaq for a little bit, obviously every morning. Okay, I'm kind of leaving US 30 alone. It's not like we don't like it anymore. It's just we just been following Nasdaq a little bit more. Momentum has coming in. All right. A lot of people are thinking Nasdaq is bearish. I have to agree. Okay, I'm seeing some 1-hour support right there. Okay, we'll watch and see now how this is going to make its move. Everyone's saying super bearish, bearish. That's good, guys. You guys are seeing it's breaking key levels right here. 4-hour. This would be resistance, but it acted as support previous. Okay, we're going to drop to the hourly now. Okay, we're going to see how this is going to make a move. I do see nice hourly support, guys, even though it's below the 4-hour. Okay, right there, guys. And remember, if you are wondering why I'm placing these levels, this is just my bias. Okay, everyone has their own ways of doing things. All right, but I like to hold these charts pretty much all day. Okay, I like to hold these charts all day and see how price is going to make its moves. Okay, here's 30-minute resistance. Okay, and then we will see how it's looking on the 15. Oof, guys, there we go. If we break this hourly and we hold here, guys, we break, I think we can fill these wicks to the left, guys, on the 5. Let's take one more peek. I see nice key level right here before we tap. Okay, guys, a couple things can happen at the hourly here. All right, if we break below, you can see that we are oversold. Let's take a peek at the moving averages, see where they are. Okay, we are below, and the 200 we are below as well. All right, so if we break down here, guys, the hourly, I definitely think we can tap that 5-minute support. And if we break the 5-minute, we can come back down to the 4-hour. Okay, so let's just watch and see here. We're going to flip back on gold. Okay, gold made a little bit of a bounce, so watch and see, but I like the way Nasdaq is looking currently. So the break here, coming down, filling that 5-minute support. We're probably going to get a bounce, and the only reason why, if we look to the left, okay, you can see that's another key level of support. All right, if we do bounce here and we break, we can start to fill the continuation downtrend. let's just see how this candle is going to close in about 3 minutes. Okay. Guys, I usually like to wait until, like I said, 8 a.m. Okay, previous structure, can change on the new hourly candles, all right? It can change definitely on the new hourly. There we go, guys. There's some continued drop. Okay, so even if you're not looking to trade right now, wait until 8. We're just getting the overall momentum kind of established here. If they're going to hold it, push it on that hourly, then we're probably going to flip bullish and then look at tapping that 30-minute. Okay. We'll go check out gold in 2 seconds here. Just going to add an alarm. Okay, so guys, remember, coming into the new hourly, let's go check a look at gold here. I set an alarm here, so if we do tap that 5-minute, all right, we'll get notified. And then at around 8:10, we're going to do USD CAD, okay, and I'll explain why in a second. Okay, there's gold trying to attempt a break here, okay. So let's take a peek, guys. You want to see why I'm looking at CAD today? All right, this is what we have coming in. Okay, you can see 8:30 CAD news. Okay, big. There's 4 folders here, guys. So this can be great, but it can also be like extremely annoying. All right. Why do I mean by that? Okay, because if one of these folders launches positive and the rest negative, you're going to have indecision in the market. If they all launch one way, it's going to be fantastic. Okay, if they don't, then you know what I mean, you're going to start to see some erratic behavior, push pulling movement all the time, and it does happen quite frequently. Okay, so we're going to do this around 8:10, but I just wanted to show you why I'm looking at that current time. Okay, so guys, let's take a look at gold. Gold is still dropping here. Okay, looking at testing that daily support level potentially. Okay, coming into, we got 9 seconds for this candle to close. No, I wouldn't enter right now, guys. It's up to you, but I would not. I'm just waiting for the hourly, as I've always stated. Okay, guys, so remember how I told you that if we break overall structure right here on the 15, we're tapping the daily. Okay, so if you got in on that, that's roughly about a 10-15 pip drop. Okay, 10 so far. All right. If we break this daily, guys, we're coming back down to the hourly. Okay. If we break this daily, we're coming back down to the hourly. All right, looking at tapping maybe the daily support level. Okay. I'm going to wait, but I want to see how this trade will play out. Okay, TP guys, if we do tend to break right here, we have some potential coming in, and then we have one more right down here. Okay guys, so if you did grab the daily support, okay, you're looking at maybe a 10 pip drop right there. Nasdaq is floating right now, guys. Nasdaq is floating, so watch and see how this is going to go. Okay, right on that, guys, look to secure. Okay, you can move your stop loss to break even, grab some pips here. Okay, price can still flip and go bullish. All right. It's about a 6 pip drop. There we go, guys. There's about 10. Okay, if you did grab it, Nasdaq is flipping bullish a bit. Okay, so we'll check that out in about 5 minutes. Look at the big daily break, guys. Daily support level break. Looking for the continuation. Okay, you see how quickly this thing can push back up, guys. Running about 10 pips. All right, still continuing. Look at for now, guys. I'm looking for potential gold buys at this moment. Okay, but we'll watch and see how this is going to go. Okay, we'll watch and see how this is going to go. So if we don't break here, you can see previous structure tapped. Okay, and you can see now that the buyers are starting to maybe pick it up, looking to maybe fill that wick. All right, and all this happened because of the daily support. Okay, daily support break. Okay, see this, guys, they're closing it above now the daily. So that 10-15 pips, all right, 10 to 15 pips, you can see what's happening right now. Okay, price is starting to hold. Okay, buyers are coming in, and then they're pushing it right back up. All right, so remember I told you guys I was waiting for the initial hourly candle to come in. This is the reason why. All right, it can still fill the bottom of that wick. All right, but I'm looking now to see if his price is going to get any kind of movement holding at the daily support. Okay, or they're going to make a flip and then have the continuation. All right, Nasdaq is flipping, guys. I just want to see Nasdaq for 1 sec. Okay, so you can see, remember we talked about holding that level of support. Nothing so far has broken above the 9, but they're holding key hourly right here, right? So see the head fakes, guys, we have coming before the 8 a.m. Okay, this is huge. Okay, to just take note, price is still below the 9. Okay, we're still below the 200. All right, RSI is showing very bearish territory right now. Okay, we're oversold. All right, so let's watch and see now if price is going to hold support or if we're going to start to make that bullish push. Okay, and I can see the nice little bull run starting to form right here. Okay, let's take a peek. Goldilocks. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, it's starting to fill. It's getting held up 1809, guys. You can see 0.75. It's still hovering in and out. I'm looking at, yeah, I noticed that exactly, Eric. That's what I was looking at too. But again, guys, remember the trend is your friend. There's gold, guys, continuing. Right here, the 15-minute, like I told you, would be your stop loss. All right, they filled that wick, and you can see now, guys, if they break this hourly support, we are coming down. We are coming down this general area, which is 1807. We can push to 1800, guys. And if you look at Nasdaq too, all right, everything is kind of selling off right now. Right before the new maybe hourly pump. Okay. Remember, if you're in gold, guys, your stop loss is right here. Okay, keep that in mind just to show you guys. All right, we're holding at that 1809 area. So move your stop loss or keep it where it is, wherever you want. Okay. There's gold, guys. Ooh, she gone. Damon EU is still holding roughly around 6-7 pips on profit. There we go, guys. Tapping, breaking that hourly with no problem. Look at that shit. Okay, now is the key level, guys. You can see we don't have anything. Oh shit, look at that. We could go down to 1800 if this thing continues, guys. It's going to be a big move down to 1800, but okay, 1807. We'll get 1806 here. We'll get 1805. Sorry. $1806. Okay. So you guys can see this all started breaking below the daily, all right? And now you can see the price level is getting held at that 1807. Okay. So guys, new hourly's coming up in about a minute here. If you guys are in on this, secure, okay, because they can pump this right back up, no issues. Okay. Look at this, guys. That thing dropped about 20 pips. Okay, right off the hop. I did see some guys layering buys in here. I do think the buyers can come in eventually. And remember, I have a feeling what these people are doing, okay? This is how you layer. Small position, buy, 0.01. Small position, buy, 0.05. Small position, buy, 0.01 when it comes down to previous structure right here. And then when you see, when this person or whoever's layering has already hammered that 0.1, they're already up about 10 pips here. When price then fluctuates, it's going to trigger their 0.05, okay, and then it's going to trigger their 0.01 when it's up here. So they're using their higher lot sizes right where price is, looking for the reversal, okay. So that's a possible layering technique, all right. So I can understand people doing that, all right, but again, break of daily structure is going to lead to big candle movement, okay. So you can see now that the buys are starting to happen, okay. So we got to watch and see now what area are we going to get into on this new hourly time frame, okay. Okay, let's take a peek now at Nasdaq. Okay, still trying to break down. Price is getting held here a bit, having a little continuation. Okay, erase that real quick. Here's the key level. If we don't break that, we're going to get some support and then price is going to push back up, okay? Sonia, I know what you meant. Death cross looks good. Okay, so I want to take a look at gold for 1 sec. Okay, guys, so right now what I'm seeing On gold, we are heavy in sell pressure here, okay? I'm not looking for anything until we close above this 9 EMA. If we miss 10, 15 pips, I'm okay with that. But I'm not looking for anything until we get closed above this structure right here, okay? Guys, okay, here we go. Okay, let's just watch and see how gold is going to move, guys. Critical, you can see the bodies close horizontal to each other. Okay, and I mean by that right here. Okay, equal close, open. All right, so we got to watch and see how this is going to move. Okay, starting to push, guys. Okay, closing. Let's watch and see here. Approaching a key level, guys, right at that 9 EMA. This is what we wanted to see right here. Okay. Okay, so it's right now tapping 9. Okay, if we don't close above here, guys, it's going to probably get some rejection and push back down. Okay, so here we're going to push right now above that 15-minute support. There we go. Guys, yeah, we have CAD news here. So we're going to look at trading CAD as well. All right, but we're going to start this most likely at around maybe about 10 minutes. Okay, around 8:15. Okay, we're going to check out Nasdaq as well. Give me 1 second here. Okay, looking good, guys. If we start to push above, okay, and we get a hold above this 9, okay, you can see we got to close above and then we might get a push up. If not, price is going to just reject here and then push back down. Okay. Let's watch and see. Okay, so take a peek at Nasdaq. I'm going to set one alarm right here, guys. Take a peek at Nasdaq, I think, a little indecision right now. Okay, starting to hold above that support. So let's just watch and see. Nice kind of wedge forming. Okay, I see price coming back down here. Sorry about the and you can see we're starting to maybe get a little bit of it close to an apex here, guys. Okay. All right. Nice movement coming in. Okay, the 9 is holding everything right now. Okay, let's see support level. And then this is the key resistance that I'm looking to break above right here, okay? Okay, a little bit slower time here, coming into at 8:10. Let's take a peek at the news, guys. Remember we talked about having some news here. All right, pretty straightforward. You can see we have a couple US folders here, not much. All right, these are the types of folders that when they get dropped, it's mostly following suit on the red and the orange. Okay, so you can see CPI, Canadian news. Okay, we did this before. So consumer price account for the majority of overall inflation. This has been read before, guys, but on US. Okay, inflation is an important currency valuation because rising price lead to the central bank to raise interest rates out of respect to their country's containment mandate. Okay, so consumer price index. All right. So let's take a peek here. Nasdaq, so looking pretty bullish at the time. Okay, let's go take a peek on gold too. A little bit of rejection at that 9. Okay, so remember, guys, nothing closed above, and we're pushing right back down now. There we go. Okay, key, guys, coming back down to that hourly. Heavy resistance here. Okay. So if we break this hourly support, guys, remember we talked about drawing these down here, 1805, 1807. All right, this is the key right here. Okay, so now I can see a little bit of a wick hold so far. So we're going to see if this is going to hold and maybe have a reversal. But again, guys, it's very strong. Okay. Very strong, guys. So it retested, broke the daily, okay, right here. Retested on the 15, did not close above, and started to get the walk to the downside so far. Okay, 2 seconds, guys. This is what I wanted to see right here. The new candle started to open up, starting to push now. Okay, so let's take a look at Nasdaq, guys, and then we're going to look at CAD too. Okay. Oof, guys. Let's take a peek here on the hourly. Guys, this is looking like potentially a dead cat bounce. Like I said, it is showing nice bullish tendencies. Okay, but we are below the 50 line. Okay, price, look at this momentum we just got off the 4-hour. Okay, so if we're going to bounce here, we're looking at really bouncing off this wick, and there's nothing to the left. Okay, so this can be a free fall back down to the 4-hour. Okay, so always look at your higher time frames, guys. Look at the 15, look at the 30-minute. You can see this is what we have happening right here. Okay, every time we start to push, okay, it gets rejected and pushes right back down. So guys, if we start to dump below the hourly, like I said, we're tapping 5-minute, then we're getting to the 4-hour. Gold is still selling off too. All right. So if we start to break, Okay, if we start to break here, guys, I know it's showing divergence and stuff like that, but again, if we get that nice little break for the continuation, we can get a nice little move to the downside here. Okay, and to the left, you can see it's these wicks. Okay, so we need to now hold this. Okay. 2 minutes, guys, coming into 8:15. We're going to head over and do USD CAD as well, okay? Just want to see how these are moving. Let's take a peek at gold real quick. All right, going to set an alarm right here. Okay, still potentially holding on that trend. Okay, so still holding, guys, coming in about a minute left here. All right, on this current 5-minute candle. Okay, starting to get support here. Remember, guys, we're fighting against any kind of trend. Remember, so we need to close above 9 moving average for any kind of bullish movement here. All right. Okay. So let's watch and see now if we start to break, guys. Okay, we start to break this hourly. Remember, we're coming back down, testing the overall low. And if it does start to break, guys, you can start to see we're getting down to 1806. Okay, but again, we're still holding that nice little trend right here. Okay, see how it's right on motion with it. Here's the new candle open up. There we go. Okay, you can see it starting to flick at that hourly support level. Okay, so it's retesting now the overall trend. Okay, starting to flip here. All right, so leave those cells alone now. Hey, remember, we still have the overall opportunity for it, but guys, keep in mind, remember the same levels we talked about before. Okay. Nasdaq flipped, guys. Okay, let's go take a peek one more time at Nasdaq. Okay, so remember, it did not close below, starting to hold here. Okay, if we start to get this push above, all right, I see a nice little rejection area right here. That's 30-minute, guys. Okay, so if we start to continue, all right, I'm looking for a potential break right here, and we can see if we're going to get a nice little push. Okay, so let's just watch, set an alarm. Guys, having the big version, like the premium version of TradingView is so key just for alarms, guys. Okay. Okay, looking very bullish as of right now. Okay, here's that test of the 9 again, guys. Here's that retest of the 9. Okay, I want to flip back to Nasdaq. We know what we're doing on gold. Okay, I want to see Nasdaq. This looks potentially pretty promising at the time. Okay, gold rejection here. Okay, so for all you guys wondering about the 9 EMA, different moving averages, this is why I love to use them, okay? They act as support and resistance, all right? This is all I really care about. You see, I use an RSI for looking for overbought, oversold conditions, okay? And then that's really about it. Other than that, we're just using moving averages to try to see which way we're actually going to hold support and resistance, and it acts as a floating MA, all right? Take a peek at Nasdaq. Nasdaq looks pretty good so far, guys. Sorry to keep flipping back and forth, but understand. Okay, guys, we're approaching that key level right here. That alarm is about to go off. Okay, so we're going to see now if we're going to break above, okay, and have that nice little push to the upside, maybe tapping that overall 12665 area. Okay, so we need a push. Where is it? Above here. Okay, you can see you're going to get some rejection. We need a close above, and then we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation. Okay. Okay, let's watch. Okay, and then we get some levels down here too, guys. So I want to mark one more up. Okay, 26 seconds, guys. Let's watch and see how this move is going to close. Okay. Okay, gold, guys, getting some rejection. Yeah, gold did not hold above. We're still getting some push here. Okay, there's nasty tapping that overall potential right there. Looking for a potential bullish reversal. Okay, not going to be a huge move. Okay, let's watch and see if we can even get the top of the 30-minute. All right. If we get rejected here, guys, it's going to come back down and tap the EMA. Okay, in which case, wouldn't look to enter, waiting for anywhere around here. Okay, so let's take a peek now. I want to check out gold real sec. It rejected yet again. Okay, there we go, guys. New EMA starting to retest, holding below that hourly resistance. Okay, they keep pushing gold down, guys. You got to remember, it's the trend is your friend. Okay, the trend is your friend until it's not. All right, but look at this. See the big move? Okay, nice big attempt to push. They're probably going to fill this wick right here. You can see the support level that is starting to form. Okay, but let's watch and see. Sorry. Let's watch and see how this is going to make a move. Nice little demand area right here. Okay, we got to see if this is going to hold. Okay, it's 8:20. We're going to head over and do US CAD now, okay? We're going to go over to US CAD. We're going to forget about, watch this stuff right here, okay? Nasdaq and gold have both targets and alarms set, okay? So I definitely want to see US CAD so we don't miss this, okay? This is always fun times on Wednesdays. Guys, we've done this before, and we've had some good luck with USD CAD, all right? Gold is still rising, guys. Same thing as before, members. Okay, if she closes above that specific area that I mentioned, it's go time. Okay, let's check with the DXY first. Everything's looking bearish, guys. I'm just checking out how everything's looking in terms of bearish right here. You can see. Okay, so we just had a cross on CAD. Let's take a look on the hourly, guys. This is that USD CAD trade that we sent at the beginning of the week. You can see it's still running about 60, 70 pips. Okay, we're going to erase this. Move everything out. Then go to the daily. Okay, so nice area of daily demand right in here. Okay, looking good. And then we obviously have nice supply right up in here. Okay, pretty straightforward, guys. I'm sure a lot of you guys can see this. Okay, so we're in a critical midpoint right onto 50. Okay, see we get a little drop here on the daily. Find that daily support. We drag that across. You can see it's acting as a previous structure to the left. Okay, indecision, guys. They're waiting for this news. All right. And we have daily resistance right here. Okay, let's drop to the 4-hour now. Everything is kind of selling off right now, guys. Okay, just gonna move that right there so we can see. We break here. We got 4-hour coming down here for support. And we have 4-hour resistance up here. Okay, let's take a peek now at the hourly. Okay, see hourly resistance forming right here. Gold is still selling, guys. Everything is kind of selling at this moment. Okay. Let's go to the 30-minute now. Okay, let's add that right there. Perfect. Okay. 4 minutes, guys, coming into that 8:25. Okay, now we have 4 minutes and 14 coming in until this is going to be that 8:30 candle. Okay, so 8:30, guys, big Canadian news here. I see a nice little support level coming in on the 30, looking like an M pattern. Let's take a look at the 15. Okay, nice moves on US CAD so far. Let's take a peek. Okay, we'll drop to the 5 now. Okay, guys, so we're showing oversold territory for CAD on the 5-minute. All right. You can see the daily are near the high and the low. All right. If you guys don't know what news is, it's very simple. Go to Forex Factory and take a peek. Okay. Let's watch and see now. Let's go take a peek at gold and Nasdaq. Okay, gold attempting to flip. It's getting resistance at the daily here, okay? Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Okay, members, you guys should be eating on this so far. All right, nice little bull flag pattern. Okay, in about a minute, we're going to flip over into CAD, okay? Guys, this is what it is right here. Remember, as you asked, okay? Let's see if we're going to get up there. Okay, if not, we'll watch and see how this is going to make a move. Okay, still going good. Okay, let's take a peek at gold too. Okay, gold is still holding. It's getting held below that 9 EMA though, still. Okay, you can see that's where she's holding. Erase that for you. Okay. Okay, so 828. Nasdaq is pumping, guys. Remember, you guys should be eating off this hard. Let's go. Tap 30-minute. Okay, get some pips out of this, guys. Don't be afraid. Like I said, it can reject and push back down. All right. If we don't break through here, this might be the only thing we get. All right. So you can see nice momentum is pushing. Gold is pushing as well. All right. Nice moves. Okay, let's watch and see. Gold is pumping too. Okay, you can see gold is starting to make a move, guys. Let's take a peek now at CAD. Got 23 seconds left. Just want to see how everything's kind of floating right now. Okay, it's all kind of looking bearish at this current time. Okay, USD CAD, here we go, guys. Here's the initial dump. Okay, news is starting to form. Let's watch and see how it's going here. Guys, if we break the daily, we're coming back down to the hourly here. This is a big drop we have. Okay. Okay, I'm still waiting for the first 5 minutes, guys. Gold is pushing up hard. Nasdaq is too. Okay. Okay, 4 minutes, guys. Let the first minute candle play out on CAD. Okay, nice long wick here. Okay, if we do start to break, guys, price can start to continue to sell. Remember, we had sells earlier on in the week. All right, let's take a peek how the news is starting to look. Okay, coming in. Okay, so remember we talked about this. Actually, it all happened. So everything went green. So let's take a peek what's going on with CAD. Okay, let's take a look at the DXY really quickly. Okay, looking positive right now. All right, so let's just take a watch how CAD is going to continue. Guys, if we're looking to short CAD, you can see it's holding that support level. Nice momentum here. Okay, all leading into this big news and we got 2 minutes and 54 seconds left for the candle to close and the next one to open. All right. Anita, I just sent you a message in the private chat. Can you please check it, please? Thank you. Okay, so if we do start to dump here, all right, definitely looking for a continuation. Let's see what we have forming here. Nice moves. Okay, so let's watch and see, guys. This is if if CAD starts to dump. This is what we're looking for right here. Okay, might fill that wick, have a continuation. Might be a little bit of a 10 pip drop down to previous structure, but let's just watch and see here. They can still fill that wick. Okay, let's take a peek at gold too. Okay, Anita, I thought so. Yeah, I had a feeling that was you. Okay, let it play out. Okay, let's take a peek at gold, guys. I'm going to watch and see one more on CAD here. I just see a nice level of support right there. Okay, if you guys want, they might fill that wick, guys. Might take a little bit of time, but let's just watch and see here. Okay, gold is pushing, Nasdaq is selling off, so we hit our little TP there at the top, and you can see it started to reverse. So let's watch and see. Okay, guys, check it out. Make sure to read the description box. Okay, I just sent over the red flag. Let's take a peek at gold too and US 30, or sorry, Nasdaq. Okay, gold is starting to hold above that 1810, guys. Okay, 1810. Okay, so looking nice so far, guys. You can see that overall breakage of the trend is looking good, and we're starting to get a push here. Okay. Okay, so looking like a nice extension of a double bottom here on gold. Members, you guys already know the trade idea that was sent. Okay, You guys should be running in on this. Okay, there we go. Make that 1812 so you guys can see. Just at the top wick there. Okay, and you can see 5-minute now. It's getting some resistance here. Remember, you guys should be running. Okay. Close soon as it closed above the 9. All right. Take a peek at Nasdaq, guys. So it tapped and then it's shooting back down. Okay, we'll go back to gold, Nasdaq here. Gold, guys, members, check the Discord. Okay, Nasdaq push, tapped. Okay, oh, sorry about that. See, and then it got some nice rejection here, pushing right back down to the hourly. Okay, so high risk buy. Okay, remember, it did not push through, and now we're right back down to where we originally were. So my man Rob Mack and me, hopefully Robbie, you still holding, bud? Okay, so you can see here, double top here, now pushing back down. Nasdaq definitely probably going to push right back down. We'll watch and see on this. Let's take a peek at gold now again, guys. I'm not watching. I want to come back to Nasdaq in a second. I want to see gold. Gold is freaking pumping, guys. Okay, guys, so I'll tell you right now on the Discord, there is a gold buy, 1812. Oh, wrong one. 1812. Okay. Stop loss is at 1808. Okay. A little bit below right here. All right. You can see now. My suggestion would be to these guys move your stop loss to break even. Okay. Nice little push. It's running about 21 pips. Okay, as I'll send this to the FX group too, you can see. Okay, guys, you guys can see the FX group there. I would not enter in JASM, not right now. You be chasing hard, they're gonna pull back, and then you're gonna get stuck. Okay. So guys, 2 trades, 20 on the sell, and then 20 on the buy so far. Okay. You guys could have got in here at 1810. Okay. As soon as it started to cross the 9 EMA, would have maybe get a little head faked. Okay. But if you held, looking good. See the daily support. All right. Okay, there's Nasdaq shooting back down, guys. Let's take a peek. Heavy dump. There's gold. Okay, so Nasdaq shooting back down. Okay, following in that original sell, breaking that hourly. Okay, we'll take a peek. Okay, there's the dump, guys. Okay, if we break this 5 minute, this thing is dumping hard, guys. Right back down to that 4 hour. Okay, let's take a peek at gold here one more time. It's pushing, guys. Heavy move all the way, almost 30 pips. Okay, let's throw in a 200 EMA. Thanks, guys. You can see it's approaching. So if we break here, guys, this thing is going to block it, or it's going to just have some rejection here, okay? If we break through the next level, you're going to get right up at that 200 right there, okay? And that's going to be the next resistance that we once had on the 200, okay? Okay, Nasdaq still dumping. We'll catch it in a sec. I just want to see what's happening on gold right here at this 200. All right. Hey guys, sorry about that. No, I was just talking to the group here. Okay. You can see on gold, no push through. Okay. Had a nice little rejection at the 30-minute resistance coming on near the 200. Okay. Let's look at Nasdaq. Okay, so slowly dumping, guys. Finding a little bit of support in the 5 minute. Okay, you have a 3 bar play here. Nice engulfing Canada. Nice engulfing candle, not Canada. Okay, 3 bar. Looking for potentially breaking that 5. I'm so used to Canadian news, guys. Oh my god, this guy's still here. Guys, if you guys want to see US 30, we might do US 30 today. Can you guys pump the likes to 300? All right. We just had to get rid of Mr. Elon Musk here. Okay, so price is slowly holding here on NAS. All right. Let's see if it's still going to hold. Nice little momentum here. All right, we're not breaking yet either, guys. So it's a little bit of a push-pull movement here. Okay. Canada sticks. Yes, that's it, guys. Oh my God. Guys, this is what happens when I don't have coffee. My word. Okay, I need more coffee. So guys, you can see it not breaking on NAS. Okay, a little bit of push. Okay, but holding that 5 minute. You can see to the left here, if we were to draw it, they're not letting it break below. A lot of these buyers have started to come in. Okay. Okay, I'll go take a peek at gold here too, guys. I'm still in Nasdaq. Okay. Let's take a peek now at gold. Okay, so here's the retest, guys, of the 9 EMA. So we got rejected at the 30 minute. Okay. Now it's starting to hold at that 9. Okay. If we start to hold here, guys, we can flip and continue. All right. Based out of this engulfing candlestick that started the overall bullish trend. All right. So it might take a little bit of time here. You can see that we've been hovering in and out of the moving averages. Okay. So cross here, death cross. We can see now we're maybe looking for a golden cross, but price has got to continue. All right. Let's just move this over. Okay, Nasdaq is still dumping there, guys. Sorry, one sec. There we go. Nice continuation on Nas. Okay, it's coming down to the 4 hour. Big sells, guys. Oof. Guys, I'm running about 20 pips, more than that actually. Rob, were you in from the hourly or you got out and switched? Oh, you're out? Okay. Guys, my team got eliminated. What's going on with the Bucks, guys? What's going on here? What happened? Give me the lowdown. Now I got to go for Jimmy Buckets. I know, no middle to him. Okay, but the real MVP and OG is Luca. Okay, the guy had more points in the half than the entire Suns. You got to give that guy. He's a gangster. Look, there we go, guys. Get that dump. Come on, Giannis on the roids. Guys are haters, man. Giannis is natty, man. Creatine and protein, guys. Look to secure some pips, guys. Okay, it's coming down to that 4 hour. Ashamed I'm a Bucks fan. Come on, guys. They won last year. You guys can't all be haters. You got to give them some love. They had no Middleton, you know. Man, YouTubers, guys, hating on me. Is anyone in? Did anyone take Nasdaq, guys? If you did, can you put a W in there? I know the head fake originally probably got us, okay? But trust me when I said the 30 minute was TP. All right, I got a lot of people taking Nas sells here. Okay, a lot of the group did. Okay, so that's a good sign. And it all started with breaking of that hourly support. All right. Let's just see, guys. Let's see how many we actually got here. I got a lot of people actually doing it. Close 50%. Nice. Left the runner good. Okay, let's go take a peek at gold here, guys, too. Okay, so gold is testing that 15 minute. See how it's acting as the 9 is like a diving board. Okay, this can break down hard, guys. So remember, we're getting some resistance at that 200. If it does break, and you guys didn't take your pips, guys, use the daily support, maybe a little bit below for your stop loss. Okay, so let me show you right here if you guys are still in on it. Give yourself a little bit of wiggle room. Okay, put it just below daily support just in case it does come down and wick. All right. Okay, let's go take a peek one more time at Nasdaq, guys. Okay, 2 minutes and 28 seconds here. This is coming, guys. We're actually almost near the 9 a.m. candle. Okay, we're almost near the 9 a.m. candle. Okay, guys, if you want to do US 30, pump the likes to 300. We just added another 100 subs, guys. This is insane. For real. We're going to be at 33,000 by Friday if we continue this up. All right. And, guys, I just want to say thank you for everyone who's liking and subscribing. All right. Souls. Okay. There we go, guys. Tapping that hourly here. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq is dumping, guys. Holy shit. This thing is going to come back down. Let's go to the hourly here. I need to find hourly support to the left. Yeah, guys. Val, I'm not liking it right now. I'm down about 12 pips on CAD. Okay, I might just leave that, cut it, and then just make it up. 0.1, 12 bucks. I'm going to take that as a loss, guys. Okay. I'll look at that in a second if it comes back. I'm already making it up through Nasdaq right now, so it's not a huge deal. Let's just watch and see there. Okay. Okay, so guys, look at securing some on Nasdaq here. We're getting a little bit of support. All right, still looking pretty promising here. Okay, you can check on the guys, their free FX group. Post the loss on CAD and a couple gold buys. Okay. I definitely thought CAD was going to fill the wick, guys. Honestly, that's just me. I was in short. We were short CAD all week. Okay, we had CAD shorts all week, and you can start to see. I told the guys I was looking for a short right here. Okay. All right, and you can see it's looking promising. I'll look at getting it again, maybe. I'm looking to fill this wick, but if anything, they're going to tap in, you know, the 200. I got out as soon as I started to see a cross on the 9. Even if it does start to push back down, guys, like I said, we'll re-enter, but it is what it is. Okay. So if you guys caught the buys, honestly, straight up, congratulations. That's huge. I still think eventually they'll start to sink it, but it's just all that news that caused the bullish momentum. This doesn't normally happen. So if you guys caught it, congratulations. Okay, I didn't. I was on the other side. So we just got to roll through forward now. It's not too much. And then let's go take a look at NAS. I want to see gold one more time too. Okay, guys, so gold is starting to attempt to break that 15-minute support level. You can start to see overall trend. We caught the nice little pullback here. Okay, and then we're looking at flatlining currently. Okay, if it holds here, guys, it can still push. It can hold here, it can still push. Gustav, let me see. You mean for the odd pairs? Is that what you're asking? There's two of them. Yeah, they are. All of them are still valid, guys. All of them are still valid. Okay, so see, you can start to see now, guys, starting to come down here. Remember, I told you, that's why I mentioned look to secure. Overall trend is bearish. We just got the nice little pullback here. Okay, it would have been nice if we tapped 1815, but again, you get some resistance at the 200 EMA. Okay, so if we start to sell, guys, okay, we're coming back down to the daily support. This is going to be the nice critical level. If this thing breaks here, it can break the low, guys, and we can get maybe down to 1806, 1805 area. But again, we'll have to watch and see how overall price is going to make its moves. Okay, I want to follow Nasdaq too. Okay, still looking like a potential dump, guys. Okay, we got 2 minutes until the new hourly candle here. Okay, 2 minutes until the new hourly candle. All right, and it's the new 4-hour candle. So let's watch and see what level we're going to get to. Maybe it's going to drop past here, get to the hourly support. I do want to see one time on the 1 hour time frame, guys. Okay, you can see now, yeah, there we go. There's the continued sink right back down to the to the 200 EMA. And if we break here, guys, this thing is coming back down to, like I said, potentially the hourly. We're getting held up at 1 wick previous, which is right here. Okay, guys, I gotta grab a quick coffee. I'll be right back. Okay, just watch. Nasdaq is still dumping. Okay, guys, cool. Coffee is there. All right, you can see we just holding that support now, coming into the new hourly 4-hour candle. Okay, so it's looking pretty promising right now, guys. Still in a downtrend, still below the 200. All right, you can start to see if we hold support here, Nasdaq can probably push back up. All right, I want to see some kind of engulfing candlestick. Okay, so let's just take a peek. You can see it slowly starting to move now. All right, let's watch and see here. Okay, let's go take a peek. See Goldilocks. Oh, there we go, guys. Gold is still holding. Okay, gold is still holding. Remember, I talked about just below the daily here. Okay, just below the daily is where your stop loss is. Okay, so let's watch and see if they're going to hold here and tap and have a possible continuation. All right. Okay. Ooh. Okay, nice trend here. We're going to see if we're going to hold. Okay. Okay, there's US CAD. Okay. So guys, let's watch and see here on CAD here. Okay. Maybe we can reclaim what we lost. Maybe we can reclaim what we lost here. That's the key thing that we want to look for. I might move a short-term sell right above here, a little bit higher. Okay. Let's just watch and see. Okay. So I'm going to watch, set an alarm right here just in case. We'll go based on that. Okay. Pound bit gold. There we go, guys. Still holding that trend here. Looking for the potential break of that 200 EMA, guys. Okay, so remember I told you, stop loss down there, still hold. Okay, we'll watch and see. We got a minute left here, guys. We'll stick on gold for here, okay? And we'll see how this is going to make a move. Guys, the moving averages are the 9 and the 200 EMA, okay? The 9 is the white, the 200 is the pink, all right? Members, take a look in the Zoom chat. My man Marco is looking at another pair. Okay, I don't want to flip to it just because I haven't done it yet, but when times like this, guys, make sure to check it out if you're looking at currency pairs. Okay, just look at it. You don't have to look to take it. Just take a peek at what other people are looking at too. All right. I'm telling you right now, guys. There's two people in here in the Zoom that you gotta that you will should three people. Okay. All right. Rob. Okay. Adidia. All right. And four. Peak and then Damien. Members, when those guys are mentioning to you, just take a look at the chart. Okay. Okay. And guys, the reason why I'm saying those guys is because I've been trading with them for a while. Okay. And just understand that I've noticed how their trading style is very similar to ours. Okay. What do we use the 9 EMA for, guys? It's a floating support and resistance. Okay. It's a floating support and resistance. Okay. So it's a good question. A lot of people are asking it. A lot of people wonder, but you can really look it up, guys. Okay, you can look up if you know what these moving averages are used for. Okay, support and resistance. You can use them as the cross if you really want. It's up to you as like a signal. Okay, but you got to remember you got to watch price when you're doing so. All right. Guys, you guys should be running on gold here. This thing is breaking the 200 now, guys. Here we go. This thing's going to tap 37 pips here. Okay. Let's get some rejection here, guys. This is bound to happen. It looked so strong. Okay, then it got pushed back down. So, guys, look on taking some on gold. Like, if you guys are in and still held, for real, if you guys are still held, okay? Sorry, not still held, still holding. My apologies. What you want to do is right now, click out and secure 80, 90%. Okay? It's up to you. All right. I know a lot of people are still holding. There's about 800 people on here. I guarantee it. The only people typing are the ones that maybe are not holding. The ones, you guys maybe are. Okay. So look at securing some of this. Okay. It's still in a nice, steady uptrend, nice panel for the continuation. All right. But make sure you understand to secure just because of the moving average, they do, you know, show nice support and resistance. Okay. Marion, do I take trades on support and resistance? I will. I'll also use a moving average. Okay. I'll look for certain conditions. Like, for example, I'll tell you guys straight up. Okay. When we're looking at gold right here, the reason why I started to flip in the buys, I told the members as soon as it crosses the EMA, okay, you can look to grab some pips and then turn and buy. All right. I gave this 1812. This was a buy sent to the Discord. Okay, but on the Zoom, I told them as soon as it crossed. And the only reason why I looked here is because the condition was oversold. Okay, so they might have a potential reversal coming in. All right, and then it crossed the EMA. Okay, and then you can see even at 10, 15 pips, you could have made some good profit. All right, so it's using support and resistance with some other factors that come into it, just based on the trading that I've been doing live for a while, right? But that's pretty much the psychology, okay, behind why I do it. I personally, guys, I'm going to be straight up with you. I also really love 15-minute, 30-minute hourly candles. Okay, those are some of the best candles you can trade on. Okay, so 5 minutes, I like it because it's fast, right? During live when I'm trading, doing this, but when I'm by myself, it's usually 15-minute, 30-minute hourly. Okay. Guys, can I just show you one thing here? We're so focused, guys. Look at this. Nasdaq is still dumping. I think it's going to get down to that hourly support. Okay, still continuing, guys. Okay, 910. Guys, what do you guys think? Do you guys think US 30 is bullish or bearish? What do you guys think? A lot of bears. Okay, Nasdaq is showing very bearish like opportunities here. You can see that's the overall target that I'm looking for on Nas, getting down to that hourly. Okay, let's erase some of this here for you guys. Okay, so 306 here, guys. Let's take a peek at gold here too. It's still attempting. This is I've seen gold trend like this many times, guys. Okay, so if this thing starts to push, all right, we can get to the hourly. No problem here at 1817. All right. but we have to get some continuation. Obviously, let's watch and say 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's just float here on gold. I know Nasdaq is still in the sells. Okay, I'm going to show you guys just because there might be new people coming on. All right, have your stop loss down there if you guys are in on this gold. Okay, CAD is still hovering around, guys. Okay, CAD is still hovering around. You can see not too much movement here. They're trying to break it down. Okay. Very slow, guys. Very slow. Okay. We need to break this overall trend if we're going to have any kind of continuation to the downside. Okay. And we need to hold below the moving average. All right. Okay. There we go. Let's see if we can start to fill. Okay. Let's take a peek one more time at Nasdaq, guys, and we'll chart US 30 for you guys. What do you guys want to do? You want to do US 30 or Nasdaq market open? Yesterday we did Nasdaq. US 30 was a big tumble. Okay. What are you guys feeling? What do you guys want to do? Should we switch up and try US 30 here? A lot of people are saying it. Sandra, you're still holding EU. You're about 3 pips in drawdown. Definitely just a piece of advice. Look to secure at 10 pips or at least 80-90%. I've been saying a little bit more time. Okay, but you can still see where the stop loss is. It's still a little bit wide. Okay. Okay, guys, a lot of people are saying US 30 here. Okay, we'll probably do US 30 today. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq is finding some support level. See it slowly starting to walk back up. Trying to. You see it's starting to get pushed down. Okay, this is the support. Slow walk back up from the overall double tap right here. If it still holds here, guys, they've created a nice level of support which can act as resistance. So okay, so let's just go head over and do US 30, guys. It's 9:15. Okay, we'll just check everything else right now. I want to see GU for 1 second. GU is very similar to EU. Okay, see gold. Still getting it. I still like where we're at on gold, guys. I see a nice little channel starting to form here. Okay, so we're going to see if we're going to hold and start to walk our way up. Okay, nice parallel. So let's watch. Check it one more time. US CAD. Okay. Look at US CAD, guys. All right. I think we had the right decision, just the wrong timing. Okay. Ali, thank you so much, my man. AD 10 bones. 10 bones, man. Thank you so much, Ali. Appreciate that, dude. We're going to make sure to make some pips for you since you just donated. We're going to get you 10 pips, $1 pip, so you can make that back. Okay. And guys, I don't do too many JPY pairs US. Yesterday we had a GBP JPY and CAD JPY update on the algorithm. Okay, you can see it. I'll post that actually in the trade recap group in FX here. Okay, this was sent by the wizard, and you can see here. I just posted in the free FX group, guys, so you can check that out. Okay. Okay, guys, so let's take a peek now. Let's go to US 30 here. Let's get this top down done. Go to the daily here. Guys, so follow along. Okay, this is on Global Prime. Okay, you can do whichever one you want, just the numbers might be a little bit different. Okay, and then I see some nice resistance supply coming in right around here. Tessa and Russo, why do I look for slow moving charts? That's the first time I've ever saw that. Usually people are saying it's going too fast. Maybe it's just because you're watching us do CAD and everything else, but gold and Nasdaq are not slow moving charts. Okay, so we now have the 4 hour coming in. Okay, 4 hour support. EU's back in profit, guys, if you guys are still holding EU. Yeah, Tessin, usually we do pairs and stuff like that just because not everyone likes gold and US 30 and indices. Okay, it can be very, I guess you can say they might not like it because it's too fast, which I understand completely. Okay, nice resistance at the hourly. Okay, nice support level forming here. Where are you at? There we go. Okay, let's watch and see now. We got on the 30-minute here. Okay, we'll go check out gold in a second, guys. Just let's watch and see. Fuck, I think US 30, guys. There's a gap right here. That's on my chart. Might not be on yours, as we all found out in the group a couple of days ago. Should have saw that trade idea. Fuck. Thank God you guys didn't take that. Okay, so let's see. We got an hourly 30-minute support now coming to the left. Okay, I see one more 30-minute resistance. Sorry, guys, I gotta sneeze. Whew, that would have blown your guys' ears. Okay. Thanks, guys. Bless you guys. Oh, yeah. Okay, 15-minute. See resistance here. And we'll go to 5. Okay. key consolidation here, guys. See one level break right here. Okay, we're gonna watch now. 922, guys. So we'll go check out everything else. Okay. Okay, nice little push, guys. Take a peek at GU as well. I mean, sorry, Nasdaq. Let's take one more time on gold. Okay, nice rejection, guys, at the 200, coming to that overall parallel channel here. So if we break this, guys, we're gonna watch. Let's throw on the moving averages. If we break, we're coming back down. Okay, could form an M pattern here, guys. So move your stop loss to break even. Don't get greedy. You had a second attempt to take profit. All right. Remember, we can still bounce off this overall 5-minute trend. Okay, that's if you guys are gold traders here. All right. So 925, guys. Let's take a peek at US CAD here. Okay, nothing below. All right, still holding that trend to the upside at this current time. Okay, take a peek at nasty now. Trying to pick up that level of support here. Okay. Let's just get this taken care of. Maybe not break there right now. We'll use that accordingly. Okay, 925, guys. We're going to head over to US 30. Just wanted to check everything, how she's doing. Gold can go to 1816. I need idea, please. Let's go to US 30. Alright, guys. We're going to watch and see here. Coming in 925. Let's watch. Okay, pretty straightforward, guys. So if new guys don't trade the 930 open candle, okay, it can have a lot of head fakes. All right, wait 10 to 15 minutes for the market to settle, look for a trade. Okay, use no more than 1% risk and use stop loss and trailing stop when applicable. Okay, so we're going to watch and see now how this is going to move on US 30. All right, you can see that we do have some divergence here. Okay, price has dropped. Okay, price is starting to rise. All right, that's on the 5-minute. Let's take a look at the hourly. You can see that on the hourly we've broken through the 200. Okay, 9 is still following. All right, we're holding that nice level of support where price has pushed all the way back up. That was a 200 pip wick. Maybe not exactly 200 pips, but we'll watch and see here. Yeah, almost 200 pips, guys. Almost 200 pips. Exactly 200 pips. That wick was 200. Okay, so you can see that price. There's a lot of buyers sitting waiting here. All right, so let's watch and see now A lot of momentum. Let's take a look at the RSI. You can see we are below. Okay, so let's watch and see on the 15-minute, see how we're looking. Okay, maybe retesting that 200. You can see we're getting a death cross, guys. Okay, so, and then on the 5, I see, remember that big gap on the left? Today we might actually be able to fill that if, like I said, it's showing on your chart. Okay. So we're gonna get ready. So about a minute and 48 seconds, guys. Everything, if you look, is red right now. Everything is selling off. Okay, under 1 minute now. Erase that bad boy there. Okay, big gap, guys. Okay, let US 30 play out. Just opening up. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. Slowly, guys. Remember, we have our 4-hour support here. Nice little uptrend holding. Take a peek on CAD here. CAD is pushed, guys. CAD is pushed, so keep strong. Leave CAD alone for now. Just focus on what we're doing at this current time. Okay, first 5 minutes starting to roll, 2 minutes 45. You guys should be running on that one. Who's in the blue for this US 30 sell right here? Fucking take your pips, guys. I'm done. Game time. I told them guys to sell right in the Zoom. All right, take your pips, guys. That was a sell right there. Okay, get your TP ready. Get out. Even if this thing drops, who cares? Grab some pips. Okay, guys, I'm going to secure. I did a $2 and the return I can show you right here. You guys should be eating on this. Look to secure, guys. Okay, let's go take a peek at gold real quick and Nasdaq. Nasdaq flipped, went bullish, I think. Okay, look at the indecision on that. So US 30 was probably the better choice. There we go. There it is, guys. Guys, secure now, and if you guys got that trade, get out and leave. Get off my channel. For real. Get off. Go away. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm trying to save you guys something here. Okay. Unsubscribed. Okay. Okay, guys, so you can see I just took a video of the Zoom. Okay. I videotaped when mentioned that we were selling down here and it tapped TP. Okay. So you can go check it out. That's the video, and that was a sell. So guys, I'm pretty much I'm gonna chill out for 10 minutes. Okay, you can see we're reversing now. Okay, looking at probably breaking up bullish at this current time. All right. Okay. Okay. So guys, you can see tapping now is coming back up and getting rejected at that 9 EMA. Okay. Guys, good call on US 30, guys. I wanted to say thank you for everyone who chose US 30 over Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a mess, but we had Nasdaq, for the big sells, guys, leading in. You can see US 30 is going bullish now. Okay, we had Nas for the big sells coming in before. Okay, so you can see we caught a lot of this, and now it's indecision. All right, let it do its thing here. Let it kind of play out. All right. So guys, good call in US 30 for wanting to do that. We usually do Nasdaq. All right. But again, today 30-30 was nice. Okay. Okay, let's go take a peek at gold and the rest of this stuff we got going on here. Okay, gold is still holding that bullish trend above 1812. Okay, so if you guys are still in those buys, you're still good. If you guys are selling in this stuff, you guys had to be very fast. The momentum is still strong. Okay, so that's why I stopped trading gold after this. All right. Okay, want to check out USD CAD. Okay, you can still see it's pushing up to the upside, guys. Nothing has broke below down here. Okay, this was a wick we were looking to get in the sell. All right, not much movement has broken below since. Okay, so it's bullish, guys. So this is why, remember I told you guys I was cutting it. All right, this is why right here. Okay. Okay, and we'll check out US 30 again. Gonna stay for about another probably 5 minutes, guys, and then it's pretty much done. All right. There's the big sells, guys, coming in. Big drops, guys. Big drops. Nasdaq is tumbling down too. Under Doris, last night I tried to buy your program, but the website was out. Just try refresh or different browser. Okay, we're getting literally a ton of hits a day, so I was able to log on last night, but just try again. Okay. Okay. You made a mistake by entering the wrong entry. That's tough. Okay. Just make sure you take it as a lesson and then move on. If you're just looking to trade gold, remember gold was had a buy at 1812. That was the really only way, and it gave you a secondary option with the pullback. Okay. So let's take a peek now at gold, guys. I'm going to stay for about 4 more minutes here, 9:45. Okay, look at gold, still choppy consolidation. If you guys are selling on gold down here, you guys got ripped to pieces. Okay, the only areas where the buy, and remember, we still have not hit stop loss. I told you stop loss is below the daily right around here. Okay, and you can still see it's still holding above, guys, 1812. All right. Okay, let's go take a peek at the dirty 30 now. Oof, guys, still selling off here. Okay, still continuing. As soon as we tap that hourly, guys, like I said, it's pretty much done. It already is done, to be honest with you. Broke that 4 hour. Off the shorts on Bitcoin. David, don't say that. I don't want to hear any Bitcoin shorts anymore, guys. I'm sick of it. I like my BTC. There we go, guys. Look at this shit. Boom. Tapping. This is beautiful. Here we go, guys. Still holding. Still holding, guys. So like I said, if you left your runner down, you would have been in drawdown. Okay, this thing's still running. I think 1817, 1818 is going to be the TP, which is right up here if we get that big push. Guys, here we go. Oh, this thing is going to fly, guys. You're safe now, eh? You sold it. You sneaky little guy, you. You sold it and didn't take your profits, but now you're good. Remember the parallel channel we have here? It broke out of it, okay, but it's still held above that 1812. Okay, let's watch and see here, guys. One more minute. I think we had Ronnie in the house, guys. Did you guys see Ronnie? He was chilling. I haven't seen my man Ron in a little bit. Okay, new candle, guys. This is 9:45. They're closing in above the 200. Okay, see how they pushed it right above the channel? Okay, guys, 9:45. All right, we've done the damage today. You can see that gold is still priming. Members, if you guys are still in the Discord, it's still running that 30 pips. Okay. All right, let's go take a peek at Nasdaq one more time. Okay, Nasdaq is still floating bearish at this current time. All right, we had sells all throughout the morning. Okay, it just followed the continuation. All right. You can see now that gold, we just were on it. Okay, let's take a look at US 30. Okay, US 30 is still selling off. It actually did tap and did not break the 4 hour completion. Sorry, it broke the 4 hour, tapped the 1 hour, and didn't break to get to the daily. Okay, so this is showing nice momentum continuation here. All right, let's take a look at US 30. Or sorry, gold. You can see nice rejection. Okay, so pushing right back down. So a lot of choppiness, guys, just because it's around the overall moving averages. Okay, so guys, with that being said, don't want to spend too much time here, guys. This is our site. Okay, so right up here to the top right, if you guys are not native English speaking, okay, we have over 100 different languages that you can change the website text to. Okay, so it really helps. All right, you scroll down here, guys, you can see that right now we have our London session is the only one that's set. We're going to update it so you can see Tokyo and New York. All right, you can see these are our membership programs, guys. If you want to join, you can read it yourself. I don't really want to do that. You guys can check it out, okay? The only, just keep in mind, if you're looking for alerts only, roughly 3 to 5 per day. We've already had a EU sell for 10 pips and then a gold sell for 35, gold buy for 35 today. So 2 out of the 3 to 5 have already been sent already, okay? These are 4 pillars that what we focus on. Okay, this is our weekly trading schedule, guys. If you join, you can see you get London, okay, and then New York. New York is streamed live, but we do give live trades that are not posted or not on the charts in our Zoom channel. You can see on the free Telegram group, you can see with the US 30 sell, you would have banked easily 100, almost 100 pips, okay? And you can scroll down, guys. If you have any questions, please, you can get in touch, okay? If you have any questions, you can see, and you can get in there, okay? So guys, I don't want to spend too much time on this. you guys can check it out for yourself. Here's our walkthrough site, guys. If you want to check it out, watch the video, you can do that. Okay, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, guys, today was a good session. Okay, hope everyone had a good day. You know what I mean? Today is a nice Wednesday. All right. So tomorrow's gonna be Thursday, guys, and then we'll lead into Friday. All right. So appreciate you guys joining on. A lot of new members here. A lot of old numbers keep coming on, so that's good. Retention rate is strong, so definitely appreciate you guys. And Zoom guys, hopefully you guys ate that US 30 trade. Okay, so have a good day, guys. We'll resume same time, same channel tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Okay, later, guys. Bye bye.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.